Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So for many of us, post you have liked option is missing in their Instagram account. So I will show you how to find that. So for this, click on this three line here. You can see on the top right. Click on your activity. Now click on interactions here, and here you can see the likes that you have liked recently, or the post that you have liked. You can see all those posts here that you have liked. Okay, also you can check the comments that you have done in last few days or in the last few years. So that option is moved from settings and account to your activity, so everything is available here. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.